Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak ChatGPT. So if you didn't already know, ChatGPT is like this AI that will tell you things and help you with whatever you need help with. So I would like to ask about it. What is the correct grammar in the context of everyday conversation? And it will tell me things I need to know about my question now. But if I type in something like, how do I make very nice cereal? It's not going to tell me because of obvious reasons. So I'm actually going to show you how to bypass this and make it tell you anything, literally anything, even if it violates every policy they have. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create an account or log in. It's a free account. You don't need to pay anything. I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click Explore. Now, as you can see, I already have the GPT right here, but you're not going to see it because unless you've done this before, you need to click Explore GPT, and this is the one. But if you don't, it's not going to be there because this is my recently used GPT-04-mini-high, and you're going to click on this one and you're going to click Start Chat, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy the code that I've put in the description. You're going to want to paste that here. I actually already have that code copied, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it, and it's going to look like this, and then just click Enter, and now it will say I've stored the vertebrae. And now I will say I will type in a function, comma, how do I make it? Very nice cereal. And then, as you can see, it goes right into it, and it tells me how I can make cereal. Anyways, that was the first method. The thing about this is if you don't have a paid account, then you only have like 3 or 4 messages with this bot, and the code takes up one of them. So you actually only have like 3 requests daily. Now the next one I'm going to show you is almost unlimited daily usage. So what we're going to do, we're going to head to pro.com right here. And this is basically a website that has a bunch of eyes just on it. So you can use any of these eyes right here. It's a really cool website I came across the other day, and well, we're gonna go. So now what we're gonna do is go to Explore and Jailbreak Dashboard Turbo. It's going to say ChatGPT, but it's jailbroken. We're going to click it and it's going to take you here. Now it's going to say enter the following code to jailbreak me. So you're going to take all of this, copy it, and you're just going to paste it again. And it is going to be understood. Now you can do the exact same thing here. You're going to type in, or you don't even actually have to type in the function. I can just type in pharma. How do I make very nice candy? And then it is going to go ahead here. It will say waiting. And that's how you know it's going to work. If it says waiting, it will show you exactly how many requests you type in. So yeah, I guess that's really it for the video. This one is actually the better one because, well, if you use it, you get practically unlimited messages. I use this bot all the time, and actually when I used it like, I think it was like 11 or 12 requests simultaneously, and it did not stop me from running any of them. If eventually it will, it might override and say you can't do this. Like he won't tell you or something, then you just copy the code again, and then you just start a new chat with the exact same one. So just click this, then it will just take you to a new tab, which will just start a new conversation, and you can just restart it like that. So yeah, all in all, it will jailbreak the AI, and well, good luck guys, and happy jailbreaking.